Yeah.
Yeah, this will not do it.
This is the main reason why I fly right now, because the weather is always so perfect. And the sunset. This is No, you're good. This is probably the brightest burner that I have in this plane.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see when I take off.
Oh yeah, it is really bright. See, right here is, like I was saying, if you could have the modulation going on it all the time.
Yeah, and you can. I didn't for this one, but it can be done. And then it would flicker the whole time. And
yeah, these things perform great.
yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Gear down.
It's a little cross right now.
There's a tiny bit of crosswind.
Gear up.
It's interesting. The crosswind is on the left, but not this side.
Right. And it depends on where you are. It's doing something at one area and a different thing another. It's just
It might be thermal.
could be, and that happens a lot.
Time remaining 1 minute.
This plane spoils me. It flies so good.
Oh yeah, no, he had it.
Oh, that's beautiful. Man, I love those afterburners. Can't miss it.
Yeah, this one it shows up the best.
That's 30 seconds.
Easy, yeah. I think it was radared at almost 120.
I believe it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Yeah, I'm a madman. I always
3,
stay until there's almost no light.
1. Time expired. Gear down. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
The real one landed at 200 miles an hour.
I know. You better get your approach just right. Yo. Takes a while. What time is it? We'll be okay for at least like another 40 minutes. I'm only going to stay for like 15 of that, but still, yeah. It stays bright. Because then, especially with the clouds, it lights everything up. guys. Okay. Good to see you guys. And let me know how that fan works out.
I will. It will be 6 months before I get it.
Okay. Hey, at least you got it.
That